Sam here from KitchenGadgetsClub.com, and also the voice behind your popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. I'm often asked when it gets to this time of year and you've got all those delicious party foods that you can pick up from the supermarket, if you can cook them in the air fryer. Well, what I managed to grab was this amazing Indian party mix from M&S. So it's got your typical onion bhajis, pakoras and samosas. And what you might not know is we actually have the time and temps for reheating them in our air fryer time and temp guide. I bet you didn't know that that was in there, did you? Because you'd probably associate it with cooking chicken breasts, making homemade chips and all the other favourites. But thankfully in this guide it teaches you the cooking times. You can just throw them in. So let me show you. So if you take a little look closer, what we have is we have the vegetarian and reheating section. Oh, and by the way, for all of those that are into the Christmas food, this section in the vegetarian also has a camembert. So if you're planning on doing some camembert in the air fryer this Christmas, then this section is for you. And then what we have here is we have our reheating section. So it has in there the likes of pakoras, onion bhajis. It's also got samosas in there as well. And it's got a lot of other favourites as well. It also includes turkey breast for if you want to reheat your turkey if you've made it ahead, and reheating your ready meals and such like. And it starts on the previous page as well. So for example, I can see the onion bhajis are there. You can also do the naan bread if you're having an Indian evening. So it's just brilliant for a nice mixture of things. And I wasn't joking, right at the top of the page is the camembert. So let's get to air frying, shall we? So this is something else I find really good here, because it says 16 minutes in the oven. Who wants to warm up an oven just to warm up some onion bhajis? So shall I show you a much quicker way using the air fryer? So you want to open up your air fryer and then you can start loading them in. Remember, we're beating the oven time here. Many will tell you it's just 20% less of a cook time. I beg to differ. I've been using the air fryer to cook food with since 2012, and I can tell you now it can differ a lot between foods, and it's half the cook time on average for air fryer frozen food or reheating cold stuff like this. So should we get started? Pop open your air fryer. Oh, I cannot wait. Remember, it's not just reheating food in the air fryer, it's reheating M&S food. So you can do as many as you want at once. You can just do a few, or you can do loads. I'm just going to pop in an extra samosa there. Oh, well, let's get these on, shall we? Right, turn it on. And you're looking for 180 Celsius, that's 360 Fahrenheit. Take it up to 8 minutes and then press start. Whilst our kitchen gadget is on, working its magic, can I tell you more about our 12 days of Christmas? Well, basically, it's a different recipe every day for 12 days. And we've done it because we absolutely love using our kitchen gadgets at Christmas time, but also because we thought it would be really helpful to someone else out there if we did a giveaway where you could win your Christmas dinner. So where we would pay for your Christmas dinner shop, and then you could have turkey, chicken and all the trimmings, or whichever ones you want. And it's also to celebrate the pre-orders of our brand new cookbook, the Multi-Cooker Cookbook, which is such a beautiful cookbook. I'm so proud of this, and it's got 125 deliciously easy recipes and essential techniques. But what's so amazing about this is it's brilliant for if you have different kitchen gadgets, because it covers air frying, pressure cooking, slow cooking, mixing up pressure cooking and air frying, steaming, and so many others. So it also includes the opportunity to get our turkey recipe, so you can actually get the turkey recipe that's featured in the cookbook before it's even out. All you have to do is pre-order yourself a copy of the Multi-Cooker Cookbook. Simply search Multi-Cooker Salmon Dom or go to KitchenGadgetsClub.com/books and you can pre-order yourself a copy there, and then you can be having this turkey recipe in your house this Christmas and also have the chance to win your Christmas dinner on us. So now pause the video and do that, and then let's get back to this recipe. And we've beeped. So shall we see how the onion bhajis, the samosas and the pakoras are doing? And let's tuck in, shall we? Oh, look at those, don't they look amazing? I mean, look at that samosa. Oh, are you just ready and waiting for your Indian snacks? Don't they look fabulous? So whilst the air fryer's been on, I've been busy getting out some dips. You can do the same as well. Grab yourself your favourite serving dish and then you can get it all together. So what I've got here is I've got some dips. I've got a lovely blue plate. It's really dark today, so let's have a look here, shall we? So I've got a lovely selection going on here. Oh, check those out. Don't they look fabulous? So now, of course, I've got to give them a try. Oh, so shall I tuck in? So what's your favourite when you go to an Indian restaurant? Mine has to be the onion bhaji. It's just amazing. Got to have another dunk. They are so good. So don't forget, grab yourself a copy of our air fryer time and temp chart, which includes onion bhajis, pakoras and all your other favourites for cooking in the air fryer this Christmas and beyond. So simply search air fryer salmon dom to grab yourself a copy. Thanks so much for watching our YouTube video. It feels so amazing that you've stuck around to the end. And of course, that must mean that you like our videos. So why not also follow us on social media? You can find us at the Kitchen Gadgets Club on Facebook and on Pinterest, TikTok. We're Kitchen Gadgets Club. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos like this one. And you can also find us at KitchenGadgetsClub.com, where we have a membership that shares brand new kitchen gadget recipes every week. And we also have lots of great ideas, resources, tips and tricks. And we are an ovenless kitchen, so we teach you exclusively how to cook with kitchen gadgets. And a ciao for now.